Hi, I'm Richard with Ametek. I'm here on the floor of SDTES, the San Diego Test Equipment Symposium, with Dan Odum. Dan is a regional sales manager for Ametek in this area. Dan, it's a pleasure to have you. Can you tell us a little bit about Ametek?
Ametek is a very large corporation. Ametek Compliance Test Solution, who I work for, is made up of 4 companies, and it's Teseq, EM Test, IFI, and Milmega are all merged together to become Ametek Compliance Test Solution.
And now, as I understand it, Dan, people go to you when they're looking to fulfill IEC, ISO, and MIL standards. I know they're very popular in the test equipment industry, and your products fulfill, I'd say, dozens of them, right?
Right. We are the #1 in the industry for IEC testing, and also for ISO. For automotive testing, we do an ISO system for doing ISO 7637.2 and many of the other standards in the automotive testing area.
I've also heard, just from walking around, that you guys are probably #1 in the world for automotive transient test systems. Would you say that that's accurate?
Yeah, there were two major companies that were in the automotive test arena, and it was Teseq and EM Test, and they were #1 and #2 in the world. And then when Ametek purchased them and brought them together, we are still #1 in the world.
Well, we're really happy to have you here today. We love Ametek. We love having such a big corporation with us. Is there anything you can say? What's your experience been like with SDTES 2018?
It's been a very good meeting. We've had lots of people come by and a lot of planes going overhead. And but it's a good venue for us to talk to customers that rent our gear from Ametek, and Ametek's have been a great company to work with.
Yeah, and even as a plane goes overhead, I mean, I can think about DO-160, which I think some of your products fulfill. You literally touch, a lot of the parts of all of our lives, and with your, your 4 components. So thanks for being here, Dan. And we hope you come back to SDTES 2019.
I'm sure we will be here.
Okay, thank you. This is Richard with Ametek.